Hello guys, this is Siva here again. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys a very powerful boom and crash strategy. Alright, this strategy is very simple but very powerful. Alright, so without wasting much of our time, I'll quickly share with you guys the indicator setup. After doing that, then I'll be explaining how the strategy works. Okay, so first of all, you click on this F icon here. After clicking on that, we are going to be adding the fractal, which is our first indicator here. So you click on the main window plus icon to search for your fractal. Alright, so you are going to use the default setting for the fractal, or you can change the color to blue, same as mine. Alright, so after that, you click on done. Now the next indicator we have here is the stochastic oscillator. So you click on the main window plus icon again, search for your stochastic oscillator. Alright, so you make everything here 1. Alright, the price yield is low high. The method is simple. The level, you make it 85 and 15, color red, 4 pixel, 3 pixel, sorry. You click on done. The time frame is all time frame. Now the main, right under the style here, the main is color white, the color of your background 1 pixel. The signal is color white, 1 pixel. Alright, after that you click on done. Now the last indicator we have here is the BS power. Right, now you click on the indicator window and you search for your BS power. Alright, so you make the period 9, the level you leave it as it is, time frame is all time frame, the style you make it color red, 3 pixel. You click on done. Alright, so after setting everything correctly as I've just explained, you are going to have a screen like this one here. Now, before I explain how the strategy works, I want to quickly remind you guys about the powerful boom and crash strategy. Alright, I'm talking about the VIP boom and crash strategy that you can use to grow as little as a $5 account. Okay, so if you are a beginner and you have been blowing your account, alright, you should come get this strategy I'm talking about. Alright, this is a very powerful strategy. Alright, even if you're a beginner, you can use this strategy I'm talking about. Alright, and it's designed strictly for trading boom and crash. Alright, so long as you can open a position in the market with this strategy, you'll be able to grow that small amount of capital you have into a larger one. Okay, so if you are interested in getting this strategy, you check the description of this video. You are going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Make sure to message me and we'll discuss on how you get this strategy. Okay, so that's that about that. All right, now how does this particular strategy here work? All right, how does this strategy work? Now this is a very simple strategy to understand. All right, now the first condition is that you want to wait for a spike to happen in the market. All right, so whenever there is a spike, all right, you observe your indicator window here. All right, now you see this red line here, it needs to get to the overbought level. All right, so you can see this long spike. When it happened, you can see that this indicator here was at the overbought level. All right, so once you spot this, the next thing is that you want to wait for the fractal to appear at the top of that spike. Right, so like 2 or 3 candles will pass, then the fractal will appear. So once the third candle is appearing, all right, immediately the third candle is appearing, you have to go in for 5 candles. All right, so you start taking your 5 candles from this area down to this area. All right, but in this case, with this strategy, I want to suggest you use 3 candles. You just take only 3 candlesticks from the market. Right, you just take 3 candlesticks so that you'll be more safer. All right, and with this strategy you have multiple opportunities. All right, multiple opportunities. All right, but I will advise you stick to 3 candlestick. So you can see from here, whenever the fractal will appear, you'll be able to take 3 candles before any spike will come. And this is the second place it touch again. This is another place where it touches. All right, so you will be able to get 5 and 3 candles from this area here before any spike will come. All right, so here again, you'll be able to take 3 candles here before spike will come. All right, so that's how basically the strategy works. Okay, and you can use it, you can use the strategy on, you can use it even in an uptrend. All right, you can use it even in an uptrend market. All right, so make sure you backtest the strategy very well. All right, make sure you see that it's working for you before you go in with your, make sure that the strategy is working for you before you start trading with your hard-earned money. Okay, so don't just take my words for it. Make sure you do the backtesting, you do the practice yourself to know if truly the strategy is working before you go in with your hard-earned money. Okay, so that's all for this video. For those of you who are just coming across my channel for the first time, please make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. Okay, and for those who have not yet joined the Telegram channel, the link is in the description of this video. Make sure to join and your life will never remain the same. All right, so I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Silver out.